chemistry. All right, let's go. Easy one here on the board. Let's look at this question together. What weight of NaCl, what's that called? Sodium chloride. That's the normal salt you use to cook. Yeah. It's needed to make 2 dm cube of a 1.5 molar solution. So the story here is we want to make a solution. Normally, a solution is solid plus solvent. And the solvent here is water. The solute here is sodium chloride. So we want to know the mass, the weight of sodium chloride that we should add in 2 liters of water, in 2 dm cube of water. All right. So we can say we've obtained a 1.5 mole per dm cube. Let's analyze that properly. If we have 1.5 mole in 1 dm cube, so 1.5 mole in 1 dm cube actually means what? What that means is in every dm cube, in every liter, there is 1.5 mole. So for 2 dm cube, like we need in our question here, 2. For 2 dm cube, we need to multiply 1.5 times 2. That's 3. So we need 3 moles of this guy here. All right, 3 moles is what we need. So how are we going to get 3 moles? We are asked the weight. So we're basically going to look for the weight of 3 moles. All right, one of our videos down there, we discussed molar mass. Okay, that's how to go from mole to weight, weight to mole. All right, because mass and weight have been using them interchangeably. Okay, I've been using them interchangeably. All right, so let's go ahead and find the molar mass of sodium chloride. You know, that means we are going to get the normal weight of every mole of sodium chloride. When we know the weight of each mole of sodium chloride, we can now multiply that by 3 because we're studying 3 moles of sodium chloride. So let's go. Molar mass of sodium chloride. You write sodium chloride. Usually for every exam, you'll be given this information in a bracket. Sodium is 23. Chlorine is 35.5. Right? Very easy. So sodium chloride is 23 plus 35.5. All right? And that equals 58.5 gram per mole. What this means is every mole, every single mole, right, of sodium chloride will have a weight of 58.5 grams. Okay, all right. Now let's multiply that by 3. All right, so I will go 58 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. All right, and 4 pick up 2. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. All right. Now to this, I'll multiply 0.5 by 3. That will be 1.5. So I'll add 1.5. So have 175.5 gram. That is it. Super.